Welcome back, guys. Cryptofollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about AiXBT targets and updates with my customer set after 2 weeks. Everything playing out perfectly well. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I highly recommend you not skip the post because of the last video about AiXBT I shared with you 2 weeks ago, and all blocks, all targets, the logic of that price movement I explained to you before. So it's not a random. So everything basically you knew it before. So you can go and check all that data and explanation why we can and why we reject it at this area. Got it. What we can see next. Now we basically trade in this tiny range. The best case scenario, guys, if we test this block. This block will be 32 cents 85 and 27. So this one. So it's going to be the 27 block on this fib. So this is the top, this support, bounce, we can see the bounce and capitulation again to sweep this liquidity pool. Got it. So sooner or later, anyway, we're gonna sweep this pool. Now the big mistake, what the traders do now, so they start draw the trend lines. The people love draw the trend lines, so like some magic pills. So here, support, this confirmation, so we should pump. This day I post the video, so we pump at 126%, and I explained it why we can't pump and reject. So I highly recommend you go and check. So at this pump, in 2 days, you could fix 127%, withdraw your initial deposit, leave free tokens. So this is going to be not a mistake. Next step, why we can go higher. Of course, if only the condition, only if the BTC dominance will go down, the money start inflow into alts, because I already explained to you the money from BTC ETF can just go to stablecoins and not inflow into the alts or memes, just in case. Also possible scenario, take a look, the majority mostly add like conservative stop loss 5%, with second leverage it's 10%, 5% on the spot, 10% on the futures with second leverage. So even the bounce, and when we start form something like triangle on this one, we can't know the time, guys. We can't know the time. So it can be the April, for example. This can be the March. And the size of that triangle, if we'll hold the line now, for example, this can be over than the all-time high. So around here, with a weak candle, we can hit the new all-time high. Of course, would be good to see the much higher price target for this token, because if the AiXBT will pump, it means all other tokens also will perform. So of course, I like to see the green candles than red one. But anyway, guys, we work only with possibilities. It can be like this triangle, it can be like this triangle, or we can't know in a moment now, right? But what the majority do now, they draw the trend lines, and now they start open short. What usually can happen, or we come back inside this trend line and going higher, like this one, and breaking out that type of triangle like this, going higher. Got it. And liquidate all that guys who trade with the stop losses, because their stop losses will be like a fool for upside move. Or the people open short position because they think we reject at the trend line and now we should drop it down. So this is a case where we can grab this liquidity, make a reversal move and go higher. So anyway, guys, to buy now at 51 cents or not, it's only up to you. I skipped the AiXBT. I already explained the why, and I already explained what token did I add it into my portfolio. Capitulation. If we'll see one black swan, some crash, what do people predict now in social medias, it's 10 cents 4, 8 cents 40, 5 cents 54, 4 cents 28. All targets, I explained why exactly this one. Got it. So now locally we trade just in this range. Nothing special. Got it. And take a look at the 12 time frame with customer set. So here, this is disbelief, not a capitulation yet, but disbelief on the market mood on the 12 time frame, positive and still optimism, but not euphoria like it was here at the top just 2 weeks ago. Take a look how the market mood changed. So It's good. It's good indicator what you can track if you use my customer set. So direction, now we drop it under middle line. So anyway, the time for accumulation will be when we see some signals for accumulation. ADZ in accumulation, so this is not a crazy distribution, it's good. Also, this was time to out of token, drop, bounce, divergence, tiny divergence, and drop. So we can see one more continuation to the top and one more divergence. Got it. Take a look, and no signal for accumulation on direction. So guys, I highly recommend you go and check everything by yourself with this set. Money power here, money outflow, money inflow. Money inflow was here before the pump around 200%. So this was a money outflow. 1, 2, 3. 3 candles in a row. The whales distribute their tokens. Pretty simple. And also RSI bearish divergence. So you can add alerts and track. Take a look the last indicator straight on. Sell, drop. Now we finally got a buyback. Buyback on a daily. It's a good signal, but not a main one. Here's a sell, buyback, pump, buyback, pump. Sell, buyback. By the way, blinking on 12 time frame, not confirmed yet because 58 minutes. And while we will see this, watch this video, there will be or confirmation or we'll see another candle down. So I recommend you go and check by yourself. Take profit, guys. Line. Take a look how all lines are dynamic. I already explained it to you also here. This day I posted the video. This candle. The buy line on 12 time frame was 24 cents. No, here. It was 23.68. Now the buy line after 2 weeks at 33.98. So that's a difference, right? So all lines are dynamic. Daily time frame, unfortunately, still no data. 4-hour time frame. Take a look. We tested the buy line. So here we tested a trend line, bounce it, reject, and drop it to the test buy line. So positive case scenario, guys, if we build a triangle, right, with upside move, take profit. Now it's 88. But next few weeks you can or form position now if you believe in this project, guys. I skipped this one or wait till this block. But of course it's not necessary, so we will test the fundamental value of this token. It's 33 cents. Got it. And the 12-hour time frame fundamental value of this token is 25 cents 7. Got it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what do you think about AiXBT. If you would like to trade with my customer set what I showed in this video, just write in the DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.